Price is pushing. I'm about to probably take it right here at this gap. Nah, I'm going for a sell. It's a 1 hour and 4 hour for value gap. Stops to break even on that, John. All right, I took some. How much is that off? That was 521. I'll take it. We gotta test out the merchandise. Strut, girl. Strut.
When it comes to the winning days on this account, we have 26 of them.
I got out right here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and welcome back to another video. And today is a good day. Today's a new opportunity to change our life. Today's a new opportunity to be great, to be the person that we want to be. Not the person that we have to be the person that we want to be. As you can see behind me, we got the computer. We're about to get started with the VIP Trading Network. It's about to be 9:30. We're active every single day from 9:30 to 11 o'clock, sometimes a little bit later. It really just depends on the day, if I have anything to do, if I have to do anything, if the market's allowing me to get a trade or not, if I'm in a trade or not. But we're going to see what we can do. It's just on any other day. Right now, it is approximately 9:24, and it is Tuesday. So we're gonna see what we can do. Yesterday, it was an L day, but we're gonna make it back. Simple as that. So let's get straight to it. I also got a new friend, new family member. Come on, Nova, why are you hiding? You gotta say hi, come here. Welcome Nova. Welcome Nova. You're gonna be a star, Nova, just watch. She's only been in the family for about a day. We got her last night. But yeah, she's a little sweetheart so far. So far, her and my other dog, they love each other. They're gonna have an amazing life. But without all the yapping, we about to get started with the VIP Trading Network. Let's see what we can do. Let's have a great day, and let's make some money. Look, you gotta hop on. Come on. Well, doesn't a gold about $1? Wow, so it moves with the dollar. So it's not an option. And then same as indexes. Copy. Price is pushing. I'm about to probably take it right here at this gap. Should I give it a second? Not a second. I think 30 points is straight. I'm only risking 240. Nah, I'm going for a sell. I'm not looking for a buy right here. If it pushes, then that shit's tough. But I want to see a sell. Now, it's pushing short term, but I want to see it try to wick. S&P looks more like US 30. 30 died? Damn, that shit went crazy. Yeah, this is my trade idea. 30 points should be straight. I'm only risking 240, get a little 1 to 2 if you run that low. Nothing crazy, it's a cool idea. It's a 1 hour and 4 hour for value gap, so it's not a bad idea, nonetheless. Yeah, I mainly just don't want to see it run the London high. If it runs London high, then the idea, I'm looking for like a London continuation, essentially. Since we ran like the high during 2 a.m. and been dropping since, that's the idea that I would be looking for. I'm in shorts already. TP1 coming at 240. Stops to break even on that, John. Ooh. Ooh. Damn. Come on. Give me my full TP though. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Keep going. Give me my TP, nigga. Why you tap it and not hit it? You fucker. Alright, calm down now. It's only been like 2 seconds. I think it dropped hard enough. Alright, I took some. How much is that off? That's fuck, is that all of it? All right, you know what? 140, 150. Oh my God, shit. You know what? Yeah, I'll close it right there at 145. I'll close it right there because that's past my TP2, and I held a little runner. So I think that whole trade, that was 521. I'll take it. I'll take that. This is the same setup I tried to take a couple times this month. That shit just didn't work apparently before. Finally, we got a nice and, I don't want to say easy. Today was a simple day. We made $527 on that one trade. Clean and easy. It just turned 10 o'clock. Freshly 10 o'clock. What would you do if you made $500 before 10 a.m. consistently? It could change your life. Definitely can. The only way you're going to be able to do that is by learning a skill. So I left the chat up for the team so they can just stay active and everything. But right now I'm about to continue my day. We got work to do. Got to do stuff with the new dog. Got to go get stuff. So let's just get the work in, stay productive, and enjoy the life that we're building every single day. All right, right now we got all this stuff. We got matching harnesses and leashes for Luna and Nova. This is Nova's old thing. And we got you a new chain, girl. Hopefully I can just open this. Oh yeah, it's nice and snug, but we ain't done yet. We got things to like. She's like, nah, that cheap chain. She said, where's the $100,000 chain you promised me? We gotta test out the merchandise. Strut, girl. Strut. 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 See, like she don't know how to walk yet. She just, that's how Luna was. Look, you just gotta pull her a little bit. You ready to run, girl? Come on. Come on. But yeah, we didn't adjust this or nothing, so this is just regular. So you can go with bigger still.
Bigger?
Pretty sure it goes bigger or smaller. But it's just, I have it at what it was. I haven't adjusted it or nothing. Now, where to next? Because we gotta take her to the vet at 2, but it's only 11:15. Not really sure. Well, you can even see right now. Oh no, they ended the VIP session, but yeah. Looks like people still getting active, even though I caught my trade all the way up here and I ended my day already. Before 10 o'clock, the rest of our day begins. About to take her to the vet.
They had her name, like the puppy's name, Muffins Holden.
What she doing over there, bro? What she doing? Just gotta get your little vaccines, get your little flu shots. I know you don't want to, but that's the price you gotta pay to be a dog. It'll be over soon, no, bro. It'll be over soon. Then we can go home, we can look at the charts. You can edit our video. See, look, you like the sound of that.
I'm getting vaccines today.
Oh, you're not getting vaccine? Oh, you like the sound of that, don't you? Luna, you matching now, Luna. How you like matching with your twin? How you like matching? Eat your food though, dog. You stepping all in your water, you gotta eat your food. You eat, this is your food, that's her food. That's your food, that's her food. That's your food, dog. This is your food. Yeah, that. All right, just got back, flashbang, oh my God, I'm sorry. But yeah, just got back to the crib. I don't think Top Step updated anything. That's the one thing I wanna show you guys, because I am approaching my 30 days. If they do accumulate with the 30 days for the $200 of profit or more, because you need 30 days of profit. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you everything. I've showed this before, but essentially this is Top Step payout policy, and what is Top Step is just the funding prop firm that I use, and that's the account that I use. It's not updated. It's probably gonna update it maybe like an hour or two for what today actually was made. But if we go back to over here, where's it at? We're at payout policy. Right here. So right here you can read you get 100% of the profits after accumulating 30 winning days. Check out the details below. You can request up to 50% of your account balance after accumulating 5 winning days per request. And that's what anybody with a funding account can do. But once you get that 30 days of having $200 or more, you can get access to 100% of your profits. And that is a good thing. And if you also come down here, once you have accumulated 30 winning days, this means you have earned $200 or more each day, so essentially made $6,000 total with that 30 days. You'll unlock 100% access to your balance, and this means for future payouts, you can request up to 100% of your balance for each payout request. You know what that means? That every single day that I make money, I could withdraw all of it. It's essentially just gonna be like a live account, and that's perfect. That's perfectly perfect at the end of the day. And that's what we're aiming for. And I think I just hit it today. Today should have been my 30th day if they accumulate both my funded accounts. I have one funded account that has 4 days for the 200 days for the $200 or more, and this one I have about 25, and today it should be 26, so it should be 30. But if it has to be on the one account, then I got to get 4 more days, unfortunately. But we'll see. I think it's accumulated across the whole account in total, but if it's not, we just keep doing what we already been doing. Full transparency as always, we're only up $50 for the day with VIP sales, so that's approximately maybe $570 for the day. New dog. Also looking back at this trade earlier, look at the TP. This is where I got out right here. I took out 3 contracts and I took out my 4th one somewhere down here. That shit reversed crazy. If you're there for the VIP, good work. That's all I can say, good work. We about to see if I can get this car. If you just showed me how to get the car, I'm gonna have to win you some games. How many games do you think it'll take to get it?
If we win, probably like 2.
What's your thing?
Mine is a bunch of special characters. What's yours?
Nova's first walk with the leash. Well, you gonna put her down? I don't know where your brother took Luna, but yeah. And we made it back, and as you guys know, at the end of every single video, I review how much money I made. I just review everything for the day. So right now we're about to log into Top Step because they already did update everything. And we are eligible for another payout. I'm not gonna take a payout at this moment. If we win a trade tomorrow, I will take a payout. But I'm not gonna be trading tomorrow. As a matter of fact, I may just take a payout tomorrow regardless, but not today, nonetheless, so it doesn't even matter. But we're gonna log in and everything, let it all load up, get to our Express funded account, and for the day we made $500. We didn't trade the Hanko trader. We didn't trade our Hanko account. It is what it is. I'm not gonna trade it every single day. I don't need to trade the funded account every single day. That's the beauty of having a diversified portfolio. I don't need to take all my risk in one day. That's the beauty of it. I can stay in the game. I can trade next week. I can trade in a month. That's how I'm going to be able to continue to make money. But as you guys can see, let's go into my Top Step.
When it comes to the winning days on this account, we have 26 of them. And the current high of the account, the current account is at 6.14, and the high is at 8.4.
I also wanted to show you guys that I also got 2 of my 3 payouts that I requested with them. It did take a little bit longer for me to actually get my first payout. I did the whole videos on the first payout, the second payout. I did videos on all of them. I did a video on the third payout. I did a video on all the payouts. So if you want to watch them, go back into the other videos. So you'll be able to see them based off what they're named. But we did get our payouts. We got them yesterday, right over here. I'm gonna have it blurred out a little bit so you don't see everything. This is just a crop of the actual count. So as you can see, this is the money that got sent to the account. You can see 130 and 237. And you can know that's valid because if we come over to where the payouts were, if I go to my emails, I look up Top Step, go to my Top Step emails, go to where it says the payout request. I look for where I did it so you guys can see that it's the exact amount. There's no cap in my wrap. I'm not here making videos telling you guys what to do when I'm not doing it myself. So right here, this is the payout request for the 130. Just so you know that this is actually, let me move it around. Here you go. If you want to go email Top Step, you can. I don't feel like we want to find out the email. You could just go watch the other videos. That's how you'll find out if it's true or not. But overall, we're good. We still got that $1,400 payout, which is the third one that we're waiting on, and then we'll have all 3, and then I'm more than likely going to be taking a payout tomorrow. Since the account's at 6.1, I might just take $1,100. Nothing crazy. I am going to be going on a trip in 2 weeks. I may have said where I'm already going, but I don't want to say it right now if I didn't. So I'll keep it a little surprise. But we're going to be going somewhere nice, and we're going to have a lot of content. We're going to still be working there, so we're going to be able to make some money. And I don't know if I hit the 30 days or not. Unfortunately, I'm not sure yet. I'm just going to have to see in the morning because at this time, it's late at night. It's already 11:25 at night. Everything is going to be closed when it comes to support with Top Step. So we'll just wait tomorrow. I'm not in a rush. The money's not going to go anywhere. But with that being said, if you guys want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how I make money on a day-to-day basis, if you want to learn how I made $500 today just with trading, matter of fact, I almost forgot. I don't only make money trading. I'm a businessman at the end of the day. I teach people how to trade. If you want to also learn how to trade, join the VIP Trading Network. And for the day with VIP, if we refresh it, we ended the day at about $100 in sales when it comes to VIP. So for the day, we're up about $620. Not bad for a Tuesday. What would you do if you made $620 on Tuesday? Probably change your life. If you want to know how to do the same exact thing, check out the free course, the free trading webinars. And once you're ready to join a community of like-minded individuals where you can take my trades, learn from me, and learn from the community, join VIP. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.